How to fix some keys not working on keyboard. Hey everyone, this is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, you can use the on-screen keyboard for emergency purpose. For that, you can click search icon at bottom left corner and search for keyboard. There you will get the option for on-screen keyboards. Open it and it will appear on your screen in this way. Now the next step to follow is simply you can reinstall your keyboard driver. Right click on the start button. Select device manager option. Now find keyboards. Expand it and you need to right click on your keyboard. Example standard PS/2 keyboard. Click on uninstall device then restart your PC. Windows will automatically reinstall the driver upon restart. Now you can run troubleshooters or update Windows. For that, go ahead and search for settings. Access that and now click Windows Update. Go ahead and click on Advanced option and you can search for troubleshooters. On Windows 10, find this under Update and Security and click Troubleshoot. After that, run the keyboard troubleshooters to resolve the issues. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.